What's up? Summer here, today sharing 5 of my favorite quick and easy Lightroom classic tips and tricks that have really improved my editing workflow. First up, for those times when you know a color is slightly off in an image and you want to adjust it in the HSL panel, but you're not sure exactly which out of these sliders will affect the area, the targeted adjustment tool is your best friend. This is it. You click on it here and then you go to the area that you want to affect, and you can see here as I scroll and move across her shirt, it is changing the corresponding sliders in the hue panel. I can do the same thing for saturation as well as luminance. It's actually a really great tool for skin tones. I love it. It's magic. The Sharpening Mask is another hidden gem. On a Mac, you push Option Command, or on a PC, Alt Control, and you click here on this masking tool. You see as you slide over, it forms a mask so that when you sharpen, it only sharpens the white part of the image. Amazing. Sometimes our eye cannot see clipped highlights and shadows, so a great way to check yourself is to push Option Command on a Mac or Alt Control on a PC, and you can click on highlights and you can see I've got some slightly clipped highlights. I'm going to fix those, and then I'm going to check my blacks, Option Command or Alt Control. You can see I've got some clipped shadows, so I'm going to bring those up, and here as well, and voila. An amazing tool. The tone curve is powerful, but sometimes when you're using the point curve, you can make adjustments that quickly get out of hand. To avoid that, if you push Option Command on a Mac or Alt Control on a PC, you will see that you can make smaller adjustments. I'm pushing very hard and it's barely moving. So it lets you control those points much more effectively. And lastly, did you know that you can reset all the sliders and whole sections of the Develop module by pushing Option Command on a Mac or Alt Control on a PC? Say that I wanted to reset all of the HSL panel. I would push Option Command since I'm on a Mac. I can reset the hue, reset saturation, reset luminance. You see how it reset all those sliders? It's awesome. I find it particularly useful when I want to use an adjustment brush. You can see here that oftentimes when you use an adjustment brush, these are all the settings from the previous time that I used it. So I can push Option Command, reset all of the adjustment brushes so that I have a clean slate and I can paint on whatever adjustment I need. It's a great time-saving tool. And now you know all my secrets. Lightroom's pretty powerful, isn't it? I'd love it if any of you want to share your favorite tips in the comments. Go for it. Hope mine were helpful, and thank you for watching.